everybody, my name is JinHee. Today my fun fact sharing is bunny. Rabbit is a plant-eating mammal. He has 2 long ears and 2 hind legs and a short tail. They live in groups. Forest or grassland. Grassland 喺呢度。What do rabbits eat? They eat grass, leaves, vegetables, fruits. They cannot eat corns, cookies, yogurt, onion, avocado, bread, cereal. Do rabbits eat carrots? Yes, they do, but they cannot eat too much because carrot is too much sugar. Eat too much carrot is not healthy too. A rabbit teeth cannot stop going. That's why rabbits like to chill. When rabbit is happy, they will jump and twist. Rabbit can sleep with their eyes open. Thank you for sharing.